Halo sahabat-sahabat pioneer sekalian, senang kembali bertemu dengan rekan-rekan. Gimana kabar hari ini? Minta maaf ya, saya agak slow, maksudnya pelan sedikit karena baby saya lagi istirahat, lagi tidur ya. Jadi minta maaf teman-teman, saya dekat-dekatkan saja. Nah, bagi teman-teman yang sering bertanya, loh kok jarang kedengaran atau tidak ada, eh, sepertinya member dari Amerika itu kok kurang kedengaran ya. Nah ini seorang pioner dari Amerika, pioner USA. Kita dengarkan pernyataan dia ya. Ini ditulis di sini bahwa Picoin adalah eh, sebuah mata uang masa depan ya. Kita dengarkan saja supaya teman-teman bisa mendengarkan dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris ya. Let's read a few things that talking about Pi Network. Let's read a few things that I think they're very, very important in deployment and the projection of this project and how this is going to develop from now on. The publication of the Pi trademark on the March 12th of this year will be the first step on this journey, which was a long journey to get here, to protect and strengthen this trademark in the global market. Let's talk about it a little bit. Pi, which is the P Greek letter, and I know it doesn't sound very well when you pronounce it like that. It's a P letter. It's something that you calculate lots of different mathematical bits. And if you're passionate about mathematics, you know the value of the P. You'll know how important it is when you calculate some bits when it comes to circles or different other calculations. So even attempting to trademark this P, it's something huge. And the fact that they are getting very close to have this published on the Gazette, it's very, very crazy good. And this is happening in US. And why is this important is because we know the adoption of Pi Network is not going very well in the US and Canada. And the fact that they're getting on the road of the Pi Network trademarking, and the fact that they're going to protect their identity when it comes to exchanges, which they've tried to kind of steal the reputation and kind of steal what they were planning to do in the long run when it was to actually release these coins into the open net. I think this is a very, very, very important step. And for me, and probably for lots like me, having this trademark and having this registered is just emphasizing and kind of strengthening my belief in the Pi Network and the fact that they're doing so many things in the right direction for the development of this platform, for the development of their ecosystem and the utility of this coin, which hopefully it will be launched in the open network as soon as possible. But let's not rush on to that and stick with the facts that we have today. It's a very good news. With the support and awareness of the importance of the intellectual property rights, we can ensure that the Pi remains a recognized and respected symbol worldwide. So not just going to be linked with the mathematical thing. Everybody's going to talk about Pi Network, and hopefully this is going to be only good for the network and for us, the people which we believe in the network. We believe that it's going to develop in the right direction, and we're getting to get lots of different benefits by mining it and by utilizing it in the future. We know this is not going to be easy because having a trademark, having intellectual property is just going to have to be constantly looked at, renewed, and they will have to do it. I'm not sure how it is in US, but it's probably a cycle of 2, 3, 5 years in which they'll have to renew it. But I don't think this is going to be a problem for the Pi Network team. Guys, this is very, very good news, and the fact that it's happening in US, and the fact that with all the bits and madness that is getting in the crypto market these days, Pi Network are making very good steps into the good direction, in which hopefully they'll be adopted in US, and hopefully with the adoption in US, KYC in US, they are just going to develop this very, very fast. Obviously, they're not going to launch a coin which is not tradable in US or Canada, where they are actually from. They are going to do it correctly, and this is the way to do it properly, because I'm not sure anyone will dare getting close to the Pi network and having this listed without their approval or talking about this without their approval. They're just going to be able to legally stand against anyone who's going to use their image without their permission. Guys, it's very, very good. For me personally, this is a massive, massive news in case this is legit. So hopefully this information is legit, and the fact that they're talking about, and there are lots of people talking about the trademark that I know they try to get, and the fact that more people talking about having this listed in the Gazette on the 12th, this is very good news, and hopefully you're gonna share this news with me and share them with as many Pi lovers as possible sharing this video. Like it. Talking about Pi network, let's read a few things that I think very good.
Silahkan dengar sendiri ya teman-teman dan terjemahkan sendiri ya. Intinya bahwa deskripsinya mengatakan bahwa Pi network adalah masa depan yang luar biasa ya. Bang Jire ya, silahkan sedikit diterjemahkan. Yang Bang Jire tangkap tulis di deskripsinya supaya teman-teman kita juga paham. Ya, saya juga bisa paham ya. Terima kasih ya Bang Jire ya. Nah, itu ya teman-teman, luar biasa ya. Diupload dari seorang pioner. Intinya bahwa PGCV 314159 dolar. Mereka pun ya sepakat. Nah, lihat ya. Ini luar biasa. Oke. Nah, kemudian apa tanggapan dari para pioner-pioner ini semuanya? Sore yang sejuk saudari ya. Ya, milikku segera Pi yang bagus. Wah, itu dari dari itu ya. Oke. Saya rasa itu ya teman-teman pioner. Kita menunggu sesuatu yang terbaik bagi kita semuanya, sehingga saatnya tiba ya kita mendapatkan manfaat yang luar biasa dari Kortim dan Bang Nicholas ya. Sabar, tetap sabar, kita menantikan dalam waktu dekat ya. Salam sukses, tetap semangat.